One of the most important steps in achieving that perfect base lies in mastering your concealer routine. I've picked out 5 of my most favorite and affordable concealers that I absolutely swear by for you guys to try out. So now a flawless face is just a few products away. The first and the favorite of my lot is the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. This is priced at Rs 595. This concealer has a very unique packaging, which is what I love about it. It comes in a tube form and has a brush tip which makes application super easy. I like to use a damp sponge to seamlessly blend in this concealer for that beautiful finish. And its opaque crease-free formula gives me a natural but flawless look throughout the day. HD concealers are perfect for night outs or big events because they are very long-lasting, give full coverage and photograph extremely well. The next product we'll be talking about is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This is priced at Rs 695. This product has a very large shade range, so it can be used to conceal and define as the name suggests. I like to apply it in light layers and build it up eventually using a small fluffy brush for that flawless finish. Along with giving great coverage, the matte finish of this product prevents any creasing or my fine lines from being accentuated. The lighter shades in this range can be used to highlight and conceal the center of your face, that is areas like under the eyes, bridge of the nose, the forehead and the chin, while the darker ones can be used for contouring as well. Next, we'll be talking about the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. This is priced at Rs 475. This affordable concealer has a very wide shade range that especially caters to Indian skin tones as it covers both pink and yellow undertones as well. The way I like to apply this concealer is to use the wand to apply a few dots in the areas that need concealing, like around the mouth, around the nose, and under the eyes as well. Using the warmth of my fingertips, I like to blend this in seamlessly and then set it with a powder. Now this concealer gives me a flawless yet natural finish by easily covering up acne, dark circles, blemishes or any other imperfections. It also has a breathable oil-free formula which makes it great for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Next, let's talk about the Colourbar Flawless Full Coverage Concealer. This is priced at Rs 699. This product is immensely pigmented, so it's great to cover up even larger blemishes or acne scars effortlessly. Now I suggest using an angled kabuki brush or a tapered brush to apply this concealer. Because it's so full coverage, you can even skip foundation. This concealer also has jojoba oil, sunflower wax, and even palm butter in it that nourish and condition my skin as well. It also has a liquid to powder formula, which means it's self-setting. Now if you have dry skin like I do, then you can just lay down the concealer and there's no need to set it with powder. It's automatically going to give you a seamless finish without looking too cakey or heavy. The last concealer we'll be talking about is the Chambord Flawless Finish Concealer. This is priced at Rs 750. Now this one mimics the formula and packaging of much higher end luxury concealers at a fraction of the cost because of its hydrating and brightening finish. This product has a sponge tip applicator which makes using it super easy. All I do is pat on a light layer of it and use the warmth of my fingertips to blend it in seamlessly. It also has a feather-light texture and skincare benefits as well, so your skin feels fresh, dewy and natural. If you want a dewy, natural look, then leave the concealer by itself or set it in place with a setting powder or compact powder for a flawless all-day glow. Hopefully you've watched my last video on my favorite foundations and now you know everything about my staple concealers as well. We're planning to make 2 more videos in this product recommendation series so we can tell you what are the best products to buy in the market right now. So let us know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.